Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will study about the coconut. As per the syllabus of BSc semester 6, it comes in paper 2 named Economic Botany. The botanical name of the coconut is Cocos nucifera, belongs to the family Ericaceae. Its Hindi name Nariyal or Copra or Copra. Parts used: seed, its origin and distribution. Coconut is native to the Indo-Pacific region, scattered throughout the coastal regions of the world by sea currents without the aid of human. Now it is widely grown in the coastal and delta regions of tropical as well as subtropical countries. Approximately 80% of world coconut crop comes from Philippines, Indonesia, India, West Malaya and Sri Lanka. India possesses third position in coconut production. In India, its production is confined to coastal areas of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam and Odisha. Its botanical description: coconut plant is a tall tree attaining a height of 15 to 30 meters. Its trunk is inclined toward the light edge of plantation and with wind direction. Trunk is normally unbranched and marked by prominent ring-like leaf scars. It has thick swollen base surrounded by a mass of adventitious roots and is crowned by 20 to 30 large compound leaves. Each leaf is 2 to 6 meter long. Its flowering begins when the tree is 4 to 5 years old and it keeps flowering throughout the year. Inflorescence is spadix. Ovary is tricarpellary, but after fertilization two carpels degenerate and only one develops into a fruit. 3 to 7 fruits per inflorescence reach maturity. The mature fruit is a fibrous drupe and is differentiated into hard fibrous covering, exocarp, middle thick fibrous mesocarp and inner dark brown endocarp. Endocarp encloses a single large hollow seed. Thin brown testa of seed is partially filled with a liquid named coconut milk, representing liquid endosperm surrounded by meaty endosperm. Its cultivation: plants are propagated by seeds. It takes about a month for the shoot to emerge. Plants require plenty of sunlight, well distributed rainfall and a temperature of 27 to 32 degrees Celsius. They can be grown in variety of soils including coastal sands, alluvial, volcanic, clay, etc. with good aeration and drainage. Fruits take 9 to 12 months to ripen fully. For oil production, the nuts are collected and dried. Husks are removed and the nuts are split to take out their endosperm. The endosperm is again dried by natural or by artificial heat. The dried meat means endosperm is ground up and the oil is extracted by various methods. The dried endosperm of coconut are very rich in oil content and they yield about 65 to 70% oil. Chemical composition of oil: Saturated oil, saturated acids, uric acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid, caporic acid, etc. is approximately 90%. Unsaturated acids, that is oleic acid and linoleic acid, is approximately 7 to 9%. Uses of coconut. Refined coconut oil is edible and used a cooking oil. Used in the preparation of candy bars and other confectionery items. Its oil is extensively used in the preparation of best soaps, cosmetics, hair oil, shaving creams, shampoos, and other toilet preparations. It is used in the preparation of best marine soaps. The cocostearine functions of oil is used in the manufacture of candles. The oil is used in lamps, and the oil cake is an excellent store food. It is used in the manufacture of rubber, synthetic resins, and lubricants. Thank you.